Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on YouTube. So let's jump into it. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is come across to youtube.com and make sure that you're logged into the correct account that you want to delete your history from. So what you want to do next is come onto the home page and then go over to the menu on the left hand side, and you want to look for the history tab and then go ahead and give that a click. So from here, if you scroll over to the right hand side, you can see an option here which says clear watch history. So all you need to do is go ahead and give that a click, and then what it's going to do is come up with a confirmation message saying clear watch history. And then it says your YouTube watch history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. Your video recommendations will be reset, but may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. And all you want to do is go ahead and press here where it says clear watch history. Now, if you want to actually stop your watch history from being saved as well, then there is an option here to pause your watch history. So you can go ahead and click onto this, and as you can see, it says pausing your YouTube watch history can make it harder to find videos that you have watched, and you may see fewer recommendations for new videos in YouTube and other Google products. But what you can do is go ahead and pause it, and then what's going to happen is anything that you watch on YouTube now is not going to be saved as you have paused your watch history. So that's it. That's how to delete your search history on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you found it useful, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, it really does mean so much to us. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.